I'm Sai Ratna. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to show you friends how you can actually install the Battlegrounds Mobile in India in any other Android smartphone. Yes friends, you can actually install this game right now. So I'll try to show you step-by-step process in this entire video as a tutorial. So make sure to watch till end of the video friends. Don't try to skip any other part. So right now I did install the Battlegrounds Mobile and which is working successfully without any kind of issues. So try to follow the exact steps. So right now I'll be installing friends, and this zip file is available in my Telegram group. So make sure to join in my Telegram group, which is available as you can see friends. So let me try to show you my Telegram group name. As you can see, search in the Telegram search bar Sai Tech Guru YT. You can get my channel as you can see. So try to join in my Telegram group for the direct zip file, so where you can get. And once you download that zip file, you just need to download another file manager. If your default file manager doesn't support in copying in the OBB files, so that is the one thing you need to remember friends before actually downloading. So overall you do require two files. So one is a OBB file and APK file, which I had uploaded in the zip file. Once you download the zip file, you need the file manager. So try to use any other file manager. In my case I'm trying to use the CX file manager, so which is a CX file manager, which is kind of really good in terms of extracting, and even I can copy directly into the OBB as well, so without any problem. So let me to click on this option which is called the extract, and right now I'm trying to extract. So now try to click on this file which is a zip file. So let me try to click on this, and let me try to click on the viewer, and now you do get two options, which is the OBB file and the APK file. So let's click on the APK first. So don't try to click on the OBB file. So first I'm trying to install the APK, which is a Battlegrounds India, as you can see friends. Let me try to click install. I'm trying to install it right now in my phone. So once after the installation finished, don't try to launch the game. So not yet finished. So now you need to copy this OBB file. As you can see friends, this is the OBB file. You need to copy it, and you need to create the folder on this name, com.pubg.imobile. Let me try to copy it, and I'm trying to go back. As you can see friends, I'm trying to go back and go to the folder which is called the Android. So these are really simple steps I'm trying to explain to you all friends, which doesn't take much time as well. So here's the OBB file, as you can see friends. Try to create the new folder. Click on the new folder, as you can see. Let me do OK, give the permission use folder, and now you do have the permission to create the new folders as well. So try to create the name on the com.pubg.imobile. As you can see friends, create the name on this exact file name. Try to click OK. So the folder will be automatically created, and try to scroll down, and here you will be able to see this kind of folder as well. As you can see friends, in case if you enter any other by mistakenly wrong name, you won't get this kind of icon. So in the CX file manager, you do have advantage to see the different icons based on the games. So try to open this iMobile and try to paste here. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to paste it, and it's getting pasted right now, OBB file. So now the APK installed and the OBB file are also copied exactly in the new folder. As you can see friends, this is the first step is to join my Telegram group and download the zip file, and next is to download the file manager, which is a CX file manager. In my case I'm trying to use, and third step is to install the APK, and don't open the APK at all, and fourth is to copy that OBB file by creating the folder name. So these are the steps you need to follow step by step. So now before launching the game, you need to give the permissions to this application. Let me try to go to app info, and now you need to go to the permissions and try to give to the permission for the internal access. So this is how you can give the permission as well. Let me try to start giving the permission. So let me try to give the permission as well. As you can see friends, I did give the permission for the internal access. So now after giving the permissions, you can go back and you can open the mobile game India, as you can see friends. So now the game will be open. The name has been changed slightly, as you can see. So always make sure to give the permissions first friends before actually opening the game, otherwise the game doesn't open at all. So always try to give the permissions. As you can see, always allow the media only. So only then the game will be able to open as it is, otherwise you will get the error message saying give the permissions. So once after the game successfully you given the permissions and everything, the game should be opening like this. As you can see friends, these are the quick messages you will be getting, and initially there will be 600 MB of the file will be downloaded automatically. So as soon as you install the first time game, 600 MB of the file will be downloaded. That is the one thing to remember. So very soon I'll try to install this Battlegrounds mobile phone game in all the other smartphones like Mi11X, iQOO device, and plenty of other smartphones, and I'll try to test which phones actually supports the 90 FPS gameplay. Yes friends, friends, some of the phones they did get the update of the 90 FPS gameplay as well. That is the one thing I'll be seeing, and you'll be missing some kind of options as well. So still, a game needs a lot of updates in the future, but overall the gameplay completely looks kind of same. Only few phones will be able to have that kind of 90 FPS update. So let's see, friends, what are the phones in the future. I'll try to cover that kind of topic as well. So you do have the same kind of maps and same kind of modes, and everything is same exactly like the previous PUBG game. There's nothing much change at all in terms of the complete gameplay you'll be experiencing. So just a few changes got changed. As you can see, now you can see the Battle Mobile India here, and you'll get this kind of warning as well. As you can see, normal message is not a real world based game, yet the survival simulation game in a virtual world. As you can see, friends. So all the graphics and everything, all the buttons and everything is going to be same exactly like before. So nothing much got changed at this moment. The sound and everything, I think it should be kind of same. So same kind of sound experience I'm still getting. So this is the easiest way to install the Battlegrounds game in any other Android device. Yes, friends, these are the few steps you need to must follow. So again, I'm trying to repeat as well. So try to join in my Telegram group and download the zip file and use the CX file manager or any other file manager which you prefer to use, and install the APK. Don't open the APK first, and try to copy the OBB by creating the new folder com.pubg.imobile, and then try to give the APK permissions to access the storage, internal storage. As you can see, friends, all the graphics looks kind of really same like before. Nothing got changed at all in terms of the graphics wise. I cannot see much kind of changes and improvements in terms of the graphics. I'll try to do the quick review as well in terms of the gameplay in case if you're interested. I'll try to check which phones actually supports the 90 FPS and which phones. As you can see, friends, right now you're getting this kind of green color, different kind of flames you're trying to get whenever you're trying to hit. As you can see, friends, clearly you did see that kind of change in terms of the colors.
Watch out!
Whenever you're trying to fire. So this is the easiest way to install the PUBG game in any other Android device, and now you can actually buy the Battlegrounds mobile phone in India right now at present. Finally, friends, it did happen today. So without any problems, I was able to play completely fine. No issues at all. As you can see, friends, you're getting this kind of green flame. Let me try to do it again with the small gun. As you can see, some kind of green flavor is going on, some green effects. As you can see, some different kind of effects. So I'll try to keep you updated, friends, regarding the what kind of graphics we are trying to get. And thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a small video which I thought of mentioning for a lot of users who are looking to install. And make sure to join my Telegram group. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.